Hi, welcome to my video on the derivative of trig functions, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, and this is video number 6. Find the values of x if 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 pi. So the answer has to be the values of x is an angle that has to be in radians between 0 and 2 pi and equal to 0. If the derivative, if d dx of secant x is equal to d dx of negative cos x. So d dx is the derivative of secant is tan x secant x, and the derivative of cos, so we have a negative, derivative of cos is negative sine x. So let's simplify each of these. So we have tan x secant x equals sine x. So that means if we're going to find the values, let's change tan to sine x over cos x. Change secant to reciprocal of cos, so it's 1 over cos x. And we have sine, which is okay, sine x. And so when we simplify that, we get sine x times 1 is sine x. And we get cos x times cos x is cos squared x equals sine x. And since this is a fraction, we put the sine x over 1, we can cross multiply. Now I can go 1 times sine x equals sine x times cos squared. So we can go sine x cos squared equals sine x. So what I did, I multiplied sine x by cos squared, put it here, and 1 times sine x is here. And that means that we can move them all to one side, because I see a sine here and a sine here, so make that a negative sine x. When I move this to the left, it becomes negative, equal to 0. Sine x is common as a factor, so I'll take sine x out and I get cos squared x. Take sine x out and I get a 1. And now that we have the product of, so we have sine x equals 0, and we have cos squared x minus 1 equals 0. So cos squared x equals 1. So cos x is plus or minus the square root of 1. So cos x is equal to plus or minus 1. So cos x is equal to 1, or cos x is equal to negative 1. And so what we'll do is look at the unit circle. And on the unit circle, we have x is 1, y is 0, x is 0, y is 1, x is negative 1, y is 0, and x is 0, y is negative 1. So, and this is 0, and this is 90, and this is 180, and this is 270, and this is 0 or 360. So, sine x, so the sine is the y. So where is the y 0? So that means the y is 0 at, y is 0 at 0 degrees and at 180 degrees. So I'm looking at the degrees first, and then I'll change them to radians after. And cos of x, cos is the x value. So cos is 1 at 0. So x right here is 0 and nowhere else. And cos is negative 1. X is negative 1. So we have 180. So notice the two of them got the same answers. So the answer to each of these, the answer, so if it's 0 degrees, it's 0 radians. And 180 is equivalent to pi radians. So that means that the answer is, I got 0 degrees there. I'm going to use the whitener. So 0 radians, pi radians. So that brings us to the end of the video. And again, if you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. The content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.